Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin maintaining your Dyson HS01, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft microfiber cloth, and a small brush for dust removal. Make sure your device is unplugged before starting any maintenance. First, let's remove the nozzle. Gently twist it counterclockwise until it comes off. This allows you to access the air intake area more easily. Using your small brush, carefully clean any lint or hair that may have accumulated. This step is crucial for optimal performance. Next, locate the screws on the main body of the dryer. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. If you find any difficulty, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Once the screws are removed, carefully separate the top and bottom parts of the hairdryer. You may notice some dust inside. Take your microfiber cloth and gently wipe the interior surfaces. Avoid using any liquid cleaners, as they may damage the device. Now, it's time to check the filter. The filter is usually located at the back of the device. Remove it by twisting it counterclockwise. Rinse it under warm water and let it dry completely before reattaching. If you don't have the tools or time for this maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Dyson serviced without any hassle. After cleaning, reassemble your Dyson by placing the filter back in and securing it with a clockwise twist. Align the top and bottom parts of the dryer, ensuring everything fits snugly. Then, replace the screws you previously removed and tighten them securely. Finally, plug in your device and test it. It should operate smoothly without any unusual noises. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to ensure your Dyson HS01 remains in top condition with no calls, no travel needed for your convenience. Regular maintenance of your Dyson HS01 can significantly increase its lifespan. It's recommended to perform this cleaning every few months, depending on usage. Keeping the filter clean and ensuring the air intake is free from debris is vital for optimal performance. If you ever feel overwhelmed, remember our professional services are just a call away, ensuring you get the help you need without the hassle of traveling yourself. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.